What's up, everybody? It's Sunday. Still raining outside. It's been raining since the tornadoes. I don't know if you guys saw. I'm sure you did. It's been all over the news. We had a F5 tornado, and we had 4 other tornadoes come through Omaha for the first time in a really long time. We have tornadoes all the time, but they're small and they're little, and they're usually outside of town, but we had a nasty one. It was bad. A lot of people lost their homes and stuff, so that wasn't a good thing, but yeah, still raining. I think it's gonna be raining for a while. Taking a little break from my Del Sol today. I gotta get the clutch off and then get it up on the jack stand, which I haven't done yet, but I had a super busy week this week. But that's not what this video is about. We're gonna work on a cool new project that's in the works, but I'll explain. So a guy on Instagram, randomly, I saw him post a video of some aftermarket fog lights on his 1996 Dolphin Nose, and he made them himself. Really cool. 3D printed. Everything has the wiring connectors, you know, has all the screws and all the bolts, and then he used a kit from Amazon to put it on. Couple things I have to explain here. Very early working stuff here. Nothing is for sale. Nothing is ready to go. It's just kind of in his head / he's working on it. I'll have all the info down below to him and his profile and all that stuff. What me and him had talked about is eventually he can make a kit for the OEM Raybrig lower fog lights for this style. It's just, we're not there yet. We got to get him over some actual OEM lights, and then he can make that happen. But this right here is a very cool, very inexpensive, low-cost solution if you want to get some nice looking lower fog lights on your Dolphin Nose Bumper. Really cool. Very exciting because we don't have options for this bumper. We have an OEM option, and then you can rig something up yourself, which a lot of people do. It's hard to like come up with that in your head to make it work on your car, but this is one of the best solutions I've seen so far. So today we're gonna install these. That's kind of what this video is. And hopefully this leads to more applications in the future. So that's really awesome. But all right, let's get into it. Okie dokie, so here's where this goes. Which one is this? Let's see. It would be this way. So you see there's 1, 2, 3 holes. We got 3 holes in here. Bada bing, bada boom. That is gonna sit in there on those holes. All right, that's super cool. Just how fucking easy that was. It took me 5 minutes, legit, 5 minutes. Like, they're in. 5 minutes, fog lights in, where I've never had any fog lights before. How dope is that? 20 bucks on Amazon. Unsure on the pricing of this, but he's aiming to be inexpensive and a nice solution to get fog lights onto your car. But man, it doesn't get any easier. Like, so goddamn easy. All right, so this is a short video. I mean, that's how long it took me. Fucking great. 1 in, 2 in. Completely aftermarket, completely 3D printed. Amazon off-road, shallow off-road lights, because you don't want them coming out. And look, like, you fucking, that's just so killer. Point of this is the kind of stuff that really excites me. So hopefully this sees some developments, some more applications, and it gets going as far as he can make these available to everybody else. Because what a sweet option. Because I understand that you cannot spend $500 to $1,200 on a set of OEM Rayrig fog lights and all the wiring and the OEM and everything. You can wire it up however you want. I mean, there's tons of options now, so that's why it's just this is a really cool option. It's the one that I'm gonna run, I think. I don't know, just really cool. Shout out to the guy. I'll have all of his info down below, and I'll link it everywhere that I post this on social media. But what a killer setup. That's really, really cool. So, all right, that's it for this vlog. I'm gonna continue to work on my motor, continue to add stuff to the app. We have a meet coming up at the end of June in the Pacific Northwest. I mean, we've got a lot going on. Hop in the Discord. There's almost 1,100 of us in there now, going 24/7 all day and night. It never stops. So cool stuff. Really like that. It's really cool. Okay, peace.